Good morning everyone. Welcome to the class. I am your teacher Mrs. from Vidhya Bal Bhawan school. Now today we are going to take a new concept of GK class. It's our GK class, General Knowledge. So for this class you have to take out your GK books because we are going to start the book work today. So take out your books. Open your books, bacha. Open your books, page number 4444. We are going to start the page number 44 first. Page number 44 you have to take out, okay? I hope you all have opened your books. That is of page number 44. That is about computer visitors. The name of the chapter is computer visitors. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the computer that you already have done. You know about the simple things of computer. That like what is the brain of the computer, what is CPU, what is keyboard, what is printer. I know you all know that. In your computer class, you all have seen that things also. So, for this you have to answer me. You have to answer me, okay? Now, write down date, classwork on your page. Write down date, today's date and classwork in your books, bacha. Students, write down date, today's date and classwork. So, then we'll start the work. Students, basically this chapter is about how do you know about the computer. So we are going to start the first filler, that is, now read the first filler from your book. Read. The dash is called the brain of the computer. The dash is called the brain of the computer. Now there are options also given to you. First option is process and the second option is CPU. Now you have to tell me that what is called the brain of the computer. Any idea? Yes. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. Now, move to the next one. To make drawings on your computer, you will use the dash program. Which program you will use to draw something on computer? Tell me. Yes, that is paint program. That is a paint program. So write down on number 2, paint. P-A-I-N-T, paint. Paint program is used to draw paint on a computer. Okay, now move to the third number. Move to the third filler, that is to write on the computer. We use a dash. What we use to write something on a computer? Where are the alphabets, numbers, all the things of computer? Options are keynote or keyboard. That is such a simple question. I know you know the answer very well of this question. So, tell me the answer. Yes, that is a keyboard. So, the answer of number 3, that is a keyboard. Keyboard helps us to write something on computer. K-E-Y-T-B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. Okay, students, now move to the next one. To print our computer work on paper, we use a dash. What we use? What we use when we write something on a computer and we need to take out that work in a paper. What we use, bacha? Which helps us to take that work on a paper? Yes, that is a printer. With the help of a printer, we take out our written work which we have done in a computer on a paper. That is a printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. Very well. Now move to the next one. The dash help us to hear sounds and music from the computer. Which helps to hear the sounds and music from the computer? Yes, that is such a simple question. You know the answer very well. Speakers. The answer is speakers. Write down S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S. Speakers. Yes, S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S. Speakers. Speakers, from the help of speakers we hear music. You all like music na? You can play games also. Games ka bhi music hota hai that you can hear. Okay, now move to the next one. The longest key on the keyboard is the dash key. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Tell me. Which is very long. Which is long in size in the keyboard's keys. Which one is that key? Space bar. Yes, that key is a space bar key. So write down S-P-A-C-E space B-A-R bar. That key is a space bar key. Very good, bacha. Write it beautifully. Your handwriting should be beautiful in your book. Okay. Now move to the next one. A dash is a program that harms your computer. Which program harms your computer? That you can see that line on a computer sometimes that there is a virus in your computer. Yes, the answer is virus. When there is a virus in your computer, it harms our computer. So we have to clear that. Okay, the answer is virus. V-I-R-U-S, virus. Write down answer. V-I-R-U-S, virus. Move to the next. To erase a drawing in paint, you will use the dash tool. So when we draw something, it goes wrong. So we have to change that. So what we do? When you do something on a paper, we use eraser to do that. We use eraser to change that. So as same in the computer also, we use eraser tool to erase that thing. Okay, we use eraser tool. So write down eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. We use eraser tool to erase something from the drawing. So move to the next one. That is, in computer, the mouse, keyboard, monitor and speakers are connected to the dash. In computer, the mouse, keyboard, monitor and speakers are connected with what? With which thing all these things are connected? Very good. These all things are connected with the CPU. These all things are connected with the CPU. So, I hope you have completed your this page. I am repeating again. First is answer is CPU, then paint, then keyboard, then printer, then speakers, then spacebar, then virus, then eraser, then CPU. Okay. Now back to the book again. So beta, there is a last line over here. So you have to read that line also. That is, the world's first computer was introduced in 1942 and was named the ABC computer. That was the first computer which was introduced in 1942. And that computer's name was ABC computer. Okay, this also you have to learn. And the next one is the first computer mouse was introduced in 1964 and it was made of wood. The first mouse was made of wood.